Hi everyone. Lately I've been seeing a lot of ads in my social media feeds about skincare products that are touted as being better than Botox, or it's suggested that they're used in place of Botox. And I found this information to be a little bit misleading. Quality skincare products are an important part of your anti-aging regimen, and skincare products can treat, protect, and hydrate your skin. Botox, on the other hand, works completely differently. Botox affects your muscles. It relaxes your muscles to give skin a smoother appearance and also prevents you from making the strong expressions that cause lines. Botox and a quality at-home care regimen are both really important parts of your anti-aging regimen. They complement each other, but they really can't be used one in place of the other. If you have any questions about Botox or skincare products, I'd be happy to talk to you about it, and just come see me for a consultation.